What up, yo? So, new gun, new game mode. Basically, yeah, bit late, but let go. Alright, so I've been searching and searching, and I still haven't got the new gun. I swear down, it's purple. Silenced pistol. Are you joking me? And another one, like the amount, there's spawns in like. I might as well just talk like this all the time. Like, just admire the beauty. Look at it. Look at it. No, don't want to do that. No, or that. Look at it. No, I don't want to do that either. No, what am I doing? Look at it. Alright, let's grab it and go. Alright, so obviously I need some mats so I can build and be a good person, you know? I need some mats for that, you know, all that good stuff. I need some mats so I can build, and then we will wreck people with this new gun. It's meant to do 300 damage to a headshot and some other damage to a body shot. Hang on, let's have a look. I don't even know actually, I can't be arsed. Right, it's 300 damage to headshot. You can glide in this game mode as well, but it just literally takes forever. But you know, I suppose it's worth it, you know? It's worth just that little bit of glidance. Fucking glidance, you know? I have strict instructions not to swear. I was actually gonna know, you know, a little bit of guidance. All that good stuff. Guidance. Oh, I don't even know anymore. Still, you know. I'll just stop talking for a second. Yeet. Yes, queen. See, look, I didn't even need to get that green pump because I got the gold version of the pump shotgun. Look at it. Still getting, getting my meds because you never know. There's some supply drops in the distance that I can see, but I'm not getting them, obviously. I might actually, because you never know, I could get like a Scar P90 rocket launcher. All that good stuff. What the hell? Oh yeah, he's gonna get that supply drop in here. But you know, Scar P90 rocket launcher, you never know. Haha, he missed it. P90, mine. I gotta feel bad, but I don't, because it's a gold P90. Still getting Mazda. Alright, where the hell's he gone? Look, he's there. I'll give it back to him. Dude. Yo. Bro, look at me. No, come here. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh, let's nab this one as well. Ah, haha, the visual. No! I'm on 1 HP. I'm on 1 HP. Build like a madman. Build. No, build. Load up. What the hell? Oh my god, there's a guy right there. Oh. I couldn't do much. Like, you can't exactly blame me. I had like 1 HP. Like, 1 HP. There was loads of people around. What the hell do you want me to do? I mean, you've respawned, got all your stuff still. So I'm not complaining. No. Got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I mean, I just kind of wanted to get into this game mode and try out the new gun, like, do you know what I mean? Like, honey. Oh, yeah, I did mean, no. I'm such an idiot. I am such an idiot. Why the hell did I not run? Why the hell did... Why the hell did I do that in the first place? I don't know, because I'm an idiot. I wanted to see if you could actually grab it and then throw it back. Well, clearly you can. I'm still such an idiot. Oh, look, let's destroy that, because why the hell not? Oh, look, and it done. Jack, nothing. Nothing. Done. Jack shit. Yeah, you know. Fuck's sake. Right. Now we get kills. Alright. Right, we got this. We got this. More mats, because you can never have too many mats apart from when you can't get any more mats. I give up. I genuinely give up. Like, I haven't even got a kill yet. Oh my god. I'm so broken. Like, legit. Oh, look, there's a guy there. No, no, haha. Bitch can't hit me. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so dead. Oh, 31. 110. That just might have saved me, that 110. Oh my god. No, that's actually like mad damage. Like seriously, oh my god, I think there's another guy. Where the hell is he? Oh, he's there. Right, I just literally started recording. Right, I've got the gun. And we got this. Okay. Right, so. I've got no kills again because I literally could not find anyone. I saw, like, I just can't find. Oh, look, there's a guy there. Hit bullets. Oh my god. Thank you. And I've still got 100, right. Gotta love my mats, even though I've got a ton because I found a llama. I'm just playing with some random person. I have no idea who they are. Alright, 1 kill on the board. We've got to get more than 1 though. Hopefully we can. There's people up there. Oh my god, is that Bush, get down. Yes, mate. Alright, we got this. We're popping off. Well, not really popping off, but 2 kills so far. Got a couple of hits. Oh, unlucky for me. That's peak. I tried nicking his kill. I know that was such a bumhole move, but I tried it. Okay. Wait, there was another one. Oh wait, no, I can't be asked to get that other one. Oh, we just took all the kills I wanted to kill. Still only got 2. Dude, I want more kills. Give me the more kills. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's the bush again! Is he blood? Oh! 220 damage, to be fair, that was quite close. And I did specifically aim at his head. Oh my god, there's no way. Bullets, hit, please. Please, would you kindly hit your shots? He's just standing there. What the hell? Wow, 25 from a distance. Oh, 110 body shot. I mean, that's not too bad. Yo, Flop. Flop, you seen this? Got kills, bro. You won't be able to hear them. Living flop. They probably are a flop. Yeah, I just stole his kill. Jesus Christ. Massive kill still. That was quite big actually. Alright. More kills to get. My bush friend. Oh, there's a guy there. Looks like he needs help. Bang! 110 again. To be fair, from the times I played it with this gun, it's quite OP. Well, not really OP in the matter of fact, like, it's just a pretty good pump shot. Like, oh my god. Is that a guy? Or was that a guy? It is a guy. Shoot. No, hit. No, or not. I mean, I suppose that's an option as well. It's not. I don't want it to be, but apparently it is. No, ooh, big oofs. I just took a oof L. Took an oof L. I want the kill, but no, he has. Oh, yes, mate. Got the kill. Did you see that? That was great. I was on to die. We literally shot at the same time, and I didn't. Oh, okay. But that guy we just shot at the same time, and I didn't even. I literally just shot at the same time as that guy, and I didn't even get the kill. That's a big crap. That's crap. That's so crap. Right. Oh my god. There's another guy there. What the? Okay. That team has so many noobs. That is actually unreal. What the hell? What? Just what? That team like legit has so many noobs. This is actually kind of ridiculous. I thought I'd just leave that for him. You know, all that good stuff. Apparently there's someone there's meant to be. I think that guy. Haha. Oh my god, where the hell did that just come from? What the hell? No. Fun stuff. Jesus Christ, run. Or drink. I need my shield. Don't judge. I need this shit. This shit. Right, now we run. They see me running. Oh, there's a guy. They see me running. They're shooting. Oh, I'm getting some hits on him though. Right, just destroy the rock. So then, the rock. I wouldn't be able to destroy the rock. Nah, I would be able to destroy the rock. He's like double the size of me. Where the hell is this guy though? Is he still behind that rock? No, let's just destroy. Oh my god, he is. Die! Ah, haha. Oh, crap! Crap. There's like 2 of them. There's like 3, 2. I can't count. What the hell? Oh, okay. Thanks. There was like 2 of them. I couldn't do much. Oh, ready, 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 ready. Bang! How did I miss that earlier? I'm playing with some random people again as well. Anyway, I just thought I'd add these couple of clips in because they were alright, like they were decent. Ready? Oh, that last one though was a dirty shot. Dirty. Alright, anyway, this is another clip I thought I'd add in because why not? Oh my god. Alright, so I know that this isn't with the new shotgun, and I know that this video was meant to be about the new shotgun, but let's be cheesy. I appreciate you guys watching, and, you know, watching. Thanks. I think this is another dirty shot. Go on past me. But, I don't know, I guess I'm sorry if this video's been, like, too long for you guys. If you actually managed to make it here, like, I appreciate it, and hope to see you again soon. Sorry that I made it so long that you had to listen to me. Dirty. See you later.